Hey everyone, Jeremy Music here at Freedom Outdoors. Hey, if you're in the market and you're in Jackson or the surrounding areas, you might want to stop in and check us out. We do carry Triton, Ranger, Skeeter, Charger. We've also got them all indoors. We're one of the biggest indoor selections that you can come and take a look at. Snow, rain, sleet, or hail, come check us out at Freedom Outdoors.
Hi, I'm Tyler Kleiss at Freedom Outdoors. You ever ask yourself, why would I shop at Freedom Outdoors? Well, probably because they have one of the best selections of new and pre-owned boats in the country. Carry Ranger, Skeeter, Nitro, Tracker, Triton, and Stratus. We also have a great selection of campers. Stop in today and find your freedom at Freedom Outdoors. Like us on Facebook and check out our YouTube. Thank you.